Hey guys, this is Arcade and I'm back with another video, and in this one I'm gonna make a song using computer generated melodies and chords. So what exactly does this mean? Well, I found this guy on Reddit who is a software engineer, and he created this software that automatically composes melodies based on the presets that you put in. I mean, here's the explanation. That's as much as I know. He actually wants to release this software to everyone, but as of right now, he just released some of the MIDI files that his software generated. So yeah, I thought this was pretty interesting and I wanted to check it out. His name is WayneMora, and I will link this Reddit post in the description so you can check it out yourself and even get the MIDI files if you want to. So yeah, I'm not sure exactly how this software works. These MIDI files that I downloaded should be generated only by a computer based on the data that it has. So I'm really interested to see how this software develops, and hopefully it's not too good, because that way I won't have a job anymore. But yeah, let's check it out. So I'm gonna play some of the WAV files that are here. So I suppose these should be the sounds he inserted and the melodies it created. Let's play some. So yeah, it's interesting. So I suppose you can kind of tell that these are generated by a computer. It like created chords and then follows the notes that are on the scale of those chords. Probably some melodies will be pretty good and some won't be as good. So I'm not gonna use the WAV files, I wanna use the MIDI files. So let's put in the MIDI, and here's the melody actually. Why are there some of these notes? I'm not sure, maybe that's on purpose. So here's the computer generated melody. Interesting. Let me actually put a piano sound on it. So I guess that one is meant for guitar sound, but I want to experiment with a few different sounds. Let's just go with regular piano. Oh yeah, so this one doesn't really work with a piano. It worked well with the original, but I think I'm going to try a different melody then. It's quite interesting to see how these melodies are generated. Let's separate the chords and the melody so we can have different sounds for it. By the way, thanks to everyone who bought the Big Fat Christmas bundle that is still on sale right now. It's like my biggest sample pack ever, pretty much. It's actually a collection of all of my sample packs that I ever made, and I'm almost giving it away for the price of one sample pack, which is $20. So yeah, you'll get 20 free sample packs for $20. I think that's a great deal. It's like a pre-Christmas sale. So many people already bought it, so check it out. Link will be below in the description. You won't regret it. So yeah, now let's get back to the video. I kind of like this melody with these chords. But let's just change the sound for the chords. By the way, here I'm using my sample pack that is also included in the bundle. So let's see if we can actually get a good sound here. I have an idea. So let's first do the chords only. And I think I'm gonna use a different sound because I also love this Echo Sounds Work packs. And they have some cool like hip hop sounds. Yeah, that seems like a good idea. Let's just copy the bass notes, even though I'm not sure if those are the bass notes. Does this work? What if I just transpose the whole song by 2 or so? I want to hear how it sounds. I like that better. I mean, still it's not sounding great, but I think I can figure out something. Let's actually add another layer to another melody, even though this one won't be computer generated. It's such a weird chord progression. That's suddenly happy. Let's just clean up this melody a little bit, because there are some like doubled notes. Okay, not bad. I mean, we cannot really change the melody essentially because that's the point of the video. I just deleted like 2 notes that were fighting each other, but other than that, it's still the same melody. Maybe let's add another sound. Make these chords more obvious. Maybe we can invert these chords, still the same chord, just the notes are in the different order. Now it's turning into like a orchestral hip hop or something. So I have an idea. Let's actually add something orchestral in there. We need some hi-hats. Maybe change the panning. Okay, it's getting somewhere. Let's do some sign chaining here. Maybe this clap. Okay, I'm liking it. I especially like this part where it's just that hit sound with those chords is actually creates a pretty interesting atmosphere. Okay, so everything is arranged together and let's play it now and see what we came up with. I think it's decent, but I still feel like pretty obvious that the melody is generated by a computer. But still, it was really interesting experiment, and here is the finished result. This was a really interesting experiment. Check out the MIDI files below. Also, don't forget to check out my big fat Christmas bundle, link below. Anyways, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. And guys, this is what I have to deal with my computer. That's just great. I'm not mad at all.